Hello guys, Windows Update are an essential part of computer security as it helps install patches for fixing loopholes and should never be delayed. However, many users report an error 0x8024402c that prevents them from installing Windows updates. This video will help to fix these issues, and to fix this issue the first workaround is run Windows Update Troubleshooters. Right click on start button, choose Windows settings. Thereafter under system settings, first you should check for Windows latest update. If any updates available, download and install Windows latest update and check for updates for any available updates. Thereafter go to system settings. From the right side choose troubleshoot. You will find the option, click on it, troubleshoot. Thereafter choose other troubleshooters and here run the Windows Update troubleshooters. Let the window complete the troubleshooting process. It will detect and resolve them accordingly. The next workaround to fix this issue, the error code is clear Windows Update caches via File Explorer. To clear Windows Update caches, go to Windows Search and type disk cleanup. Click on disk cleanup and here enter Windows C and click OK. It will clean up your disk and also choose the option clean up system files. The next workaround to fix this issue is let the window complete the disk cleanup process. And the next workaround is disable Windows Defender Firewall temporarily. Open control panel. From the left pane, go to the option Windows Defender Firewall. And from the left option, turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off option, click on it. And go to the private network settings and public network settings. Both turn off Windows Defender Firewall under private networks as well as public networks. Click on OK. Rather, if problem resolved, you should turn on Windows Defender Firewall in Windows 11 and Windows 10. And check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Change your DNS server address. Press bin+R shortcut key to open run command. And type ncpa.cpl. It will open your internet connections, available internet connections. Right click on your internet connection and choose the option properties. Here apply a double click on option internet protocol version 4 TCP IPv4. Double click on it to open. Here tick the box for the use the following DNS server address and fill the preferred DNS server 8888 and also alternate DNS